Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to watch Amazon Prime videos from your location. This is simple. The first thing we're gonna do is to go to amazon.com, and right here we're gonna log in. Once you log in, you're going to see this button right here. You're going to click that button, and then once you click that button, you're going to click right here where it's called your account. You're going to click right here, and then this page will appear, and then you're going to click right here in this option called content and device. It might ask you for login again. You're logging, and then you're going to click right here at this button called preference. You're going to click right here, and then in this option called country region settings, you're going to click right here this button. Once you click right here, you're going to click change uh, your country, and this might change your country, your Amazon Prime uh, content. Okay, and this is it. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.